So let's face it, the editing process can be very time consuming, especially if you're not comfortable with using your editing software. I mean, if you're working on a big project, it can take days or even weeks just to finish the editing part. And that is exactly why in today's video, I'm going to show you my 3 favorite features that I use in Filmora to speed up my editing process. And trust me, this has saved me so much time, especially when making bigger projects. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first one might seem simple, but helped me so much, and that is keyboard shortcuts. So basically how you do it is here in this upper corner, there will be this little icon. Once you press on it, simply scroll down to keyboard shortcuts, and there will be an entire list of all of the different shortcuts you can use in Filmora. Now the ones that have saved me the most amount of times is my trimming and cutting. Now usually if you want to trim a clip, you usually press on the clip and then press on this little scissor and then it will cut it. But for me, what I've done is once I press on a clip, I simply press T to trim it and then C to cut it away completely. And trust me, it sounds very simple, but it saves you so much time when editing. So secondly is going to be effects. Now this also have saved me so much time because then I don't have to sit there and color grade all of my footage. Simply go to effects and find some of the ones that you've liked, and then you simply drag and drop that on top of your clips. And if you use the right ones with the right footage, well, it transforms your clip with a click of a button. And then lastly, I want to talk about all of the AI features. Now I have got through all of this in other videos. If you want to go check that out, make sure to go check out my channel. But just to name a few, you got AI stabilization, AI color palettes, you got things that can color grade your footage for you, you have AI music, AI sound effects, and the list goes on. So yeah, if you want to learn more about those AI, I'm not going to get into depth right now, but just go check out my channel. Literally all of my videos is there to help you use Filmora. So yeah, that was a very quick overview of 3 things that have helped me speed up my editing process with Filmora. And to be honest, this is the best you can get. So yeah, I hope this video helps. And as I said, if you need any further help, my whole channel is just about Filmora tutorials. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.